Good morning, guys. We are at Leh. We woke up at 8:30. You can see my not so tired face, except for this idiot there who woke us up at 6:30 because he put an alarm for no reason and he did not wake up. Anyway, yesterday was fun. Yesterday was actually a lit night. Okay, we reached here at around 6:30. We reached here at around 6:30 and it was cold. Okay, I guess the night temperatures here came to -1 as per what Google said. So we decided, okay, let's go to have a drink. And since we are staying at Leh here, we can wake up like आराम से, no घाई, कुछ करना नहीं था. मतलब साइट सीइंग तो करने वाले हैं आज, वो तो करेंगे ही, लेकिन आराम से उठ के जाएंगे. So yeah, so we drank, we enjoyed a lot. We came back at 12:30 and we slept. Damn, that was a fun night. Finally we together as a group enjoyed in one place. In one place, okay, that is the main point. रास्ते पे तो सब अलग अलग जा रहे थे, फाइनली एक ही रूम में सब बराबर आ गए. Yeah, so anyway, now we have asked few people. I mean, I have asked in our WhatsApp group if anyone is interested in joining us for Leh sightseeing. We are going to do. It's around 10:45 right now. So we are planning to go to War Memorial, one Buddhist monastery. I don't know the name right now, and Shanti Stupa, which is in another monastery, which is on a hilltop. And from there, I guess I have seen people. I've seen, like, you can see the entire city of Leh. So that is the plan. We'll be staying there at night. We'll be staying there till evening. Make sure we have a sunset time lapse, something like that. Me and Renaud are actually planning to do a sunset time lapse on our GoPros. After that, come back here, do a night photography, Milky Way photography. Hopefully even that can be done. I have seen there is little light pollution, not that much. Can be done. हो जाएगा. Let's see though कैसा जाता है. Now everyone are getting ready and we have to go. See ya later. So I am leading right now and the plan is to go to several places in Leh. So we are starting with the Hall of Fame Memorial, which is 4 kilometers from this place. उसके बाद Leh Palace, उसके बाद monastery, I forgot the name of the monastery, and then Shanti Stupa in the evening, where we'll enjoy the sunset from there. So the plan वही है. Weather is kind of warm. लेदर जैकेट डाल के भी गर्मी ज़्यादा नहीं हो रही है. एंड बाय द वे मैंने मेरा सोनी कैमरा प्रिंस को दिया है. guys, we are at Hall of Fame Memorial. We'll be going to this place later. If you press these keys that have been marked, the respective places lit. So if I press the Pangong So but key, the Pangong So key lake light is lit. Okay guys, so this is it. The war cemetery. So if you are an Indian and you are not proud of this, then there's something wrong with you. This is a memorial for all those who are martyred. Man, क्या बनाया यार? You should salute, you should respect the army in a very special way because they are the ones who protect the borders. Okay guys, so we just exited the Hall of Fame Memorial. That was some experience. Anyway, now we are leaving for Leh Palace, which is it's around 5.7 kilometers away. 13 minutes, we'll reach there. So guys, confusion happened. We finally reached Leh Palace except for one bike, but they can adjust. Anyway, Google Maps can sometimes trick you. Google Maps dropped us down. We somehow managed to came here, went through the marketplace which was unallowed for bikers, and finally we are at the palace. And it's called Adas Smarak Leh Palace. And from here you can see the beautiful city of Leh. So guys, take a look at this. We're on the top of Leh Palace, the upper floor. That is a monastery right on top, right there. Okay. That's the Shanti Stupa, where we'll be going later. So guys, you can see it's really beautiful. And just look around with this view. अरे यार ऐसे view. Imagine this is the view, this is the whole valley and this is where Leh sits. और क्या दिखती है यार, क्या दिखती है. Guys, you should come here at least once in your lifetime. और ये शांति स्तूपा है, शांति भी मिल रही है. ज़्यादा कोई आवाज़ तो कर रहा नहीं है, थोड़े बहुत हंसी मजाक हो रही रहती है, बट दैट इज़ ओके. But it is really calm. Sun is right behind. It's not hitting hard though. Plus it's cool. Leather jacket अभी भी है, पहनी हुई है. So nothing is. So it's still cool here on top. By the way, this is at I guess 11,000 or 14,000 feet above. So I'm not yet sure. But yeah, who cares about feet right now? View देखो यार, view देखो. We reached at the hotel. Okay, we never knew the stupa was right there. Okay, right there. So we went there. Awesome view. Came back to the hotel. Currently taking sunset time lapses on my GoPro, which I'll be putting it on the end of this video. Man, climbed 3 or 4 stairs at Leh, 3 or 4 flight of stairs at Leh. You literally start catching your breath. I'm not sure what will happen tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to Kardungla and Nubra Valley. Hopefully the breathing thing won't be an issue, as we'll be gradually climbing. And we have kind of acclimatized, I guess, because only we have troubles in breathing, but no headaches or anything as such. So everything is fine, everything is good. The sun is setting. The sunlight lasts around 8:30 p.m. that we had experienced in Dras. Yesterday too had experienced the same. So we decided, okay, let's take a time lapse from here with the mountain view at the back. The sun is just setting. We initially thought of keeping the time lapse right up there, but there were a lot of people and we didn't want to take the risk. But if we came out of the hotel. But yeah, that is it. Here is the time lapse. Still catching my breath. Man, कल क्या होगा यार? कल क्या होगा? If you have watched this video, make sure to like it, give it a comment, and please do subscribe. And remember, damn, this breathing thing. The journey still goes on.